So today we are going to learn the breakout. Breakout means when we have a key levels, support and resistance, any type of support and resistance. The candles, the price break those key levels. After breaking the key levels, we are telling that that is a breakout of any level. So this breakout, how we can understand in our trading. Look, when we are talking about the breakout, 2 points come in the mind. One, true breakout, and another point is a false breakout. So what the meaning of true breakout? Anyone can tell me what is the true breakout and what is the fake breakout or false breakout? What do you think about this breakout, false or true breakout?
After the breakout, if the price continue to go, then
Okay,
it's a true break.
continue to go
Yeah,
just the next
Like
candle,
liquidity.
just next candle, or continue to go for so many candles.
for so many candles.
For example,
Just for next candle, sir.
next candle. Who is telling the next candle?
Adira.
Adiram. Then, for example, if you are thinking that if that is a true breakout, means the next candlestick will be red, okay? And even after that, so many candles come and break up and move up. So still we say that this breakout is a true breakout. Am I right? You are telling like that. So the sense, what telling? This breakout is a true breakout or this breakout is a fake breakout?
Fake breakout.
Fake
It's going
breakout.
back inside.
Yes. The true breakout doesn't mean the next candlestick will be red candle. The true breakout mean that
If
the
it will sustain,
price,
sir, can we say it will sustain for some time? If it is true breakout, can we say like that?
if this is a true breakout, right? And then price retests the same level, even after next candle is not a red candle. The level is retested and now the price is moving down. Okay. This, okay, I can say that this is a true breakout. Means the true breakout doesn't mean the next candlestick will be red. The true breakout means that after breakout, price creates a new low and move in the direction. But if a single red candle appear and we say that this is can be considered as a true breakout, so this is not a true breakout. Now, because our mindset is little different, we are not thinking like from the Forex perception. We are thinking from the binary perception that after breakout, if I trade one candle, if I won that trade, that will be considered the true breakout. If the next candle is not a continuation, it reverse back immediately, and we are considering that is a fake breakout. Am I right? This is the perception in the binary option. So now we are not going in the sense that which is true breakout, which is fake breakout. We are just trying to understand that if there is a level, if this level is broken, the next candlestick will be red, how I can understand. Or if it is broken in a up direction, the next candlestick will be green. How I understand I can go for buy just for the 1 minute. So we cannot say this is a true breakout or it is a false breakout. Whatever, we are just after breaking of any key level, just for one candle, we will consider that it will go up or immediately it will reverse. So what we can do in our trading. So there are 4 conditions. How many conditions? 4 conditions to understand. There is a level and that is another level here. Here is a level. I will give the 4 examples in a different way.
Sir,
So-
one question here.
Yes,
Sorry to
brother.
interrupt.
Okay.
Is level and key level are same or how it is, sir?
Yes. So now we have a different type of support and resistance, right? We have a different type of support and resistance, like a horizontal support and resistance, and trend line support and resistance, round number support and resistance, and the candlestick overlapping support and resistance, whatever. So all these support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. All these types of levels, when I just say in a one name, I will combine all together and I will just call it a key level. I just call it
Got
a
it, sir.
key level, right? So
Got it.
any type of SNR level, if it break. So here, what happens that the price is falling down and it close above the support. Now the buyers will enter in this after this candle. When buyers enter after this candle, so this level will be considered as a recent level, as a new level. Okay. Here we need to identify 2 points: test and retest. If the price is above, still not breaking, and if the price is above, if it touches twice, one time it touched here, if twice again touch, that will be the process of test. If the price break in and now the support becomes a resistance, that time price come back and touch in the same level, that is called the retest. So if just we are waiting for the test, in some cases the price will come back, touches this level, same level, and move up. This is the process of test. This is the test process. After testing, this support level gives the power to this candle that price can move up, and the price is moving up, and at this level tried to break but unable to break. Tried to break but unable to break. So at this point, what the point you understood? What happened with the buyer? What the information buyers gave us? Yes. Here, the buyers told us that we are failed, and this level is already tested. The information we got, the buyers told that we are failed, and again the price is falling down, and directly it broke in the level. So now the level is already tested when the price was above the level and the breakout happened. This is called the breakout. So if I just go with a sale, how much information I got from this process? Only just the price level is tested, or another information also I got? Yes, tell me. Okay, no one interested to tell, because
So
price
anyways,
is
sellers are stronger.
okay.
So anyways, buyers got weaker, and once a strong seller has broken that particular level, so it will continue. There is
Okay.
another information, sir.
Look, brother, when we understood about the support and resistance, and we understood the concept that on the support and resistance, who fails, who unable to fail still, right? Who failed and who is active. Now, that was a level. That was a level. This level, who tried to break? Buyers tried to break, unable to break. Means who failed now? What the information we got? Buyers failed.
Failed.
This is the important information which we got from this movement, that buyers failed. If the buyers failed, then who will break the level? The sellers will
Sellers.
break the down level, right? So this down level breaking So this effect of the bias failure and the effect of the test of the same level. These two effects make it a continuation. After breakout, the next candlestick will continue.
Continue.
So you can go for the sell.
Sell.
You didn't just got this one opportunity. You have another opportunity as well as you have now another opportunity. One opportunity you trade it, and another opportunity you got that this support becomes a
Resistance.
now after trading this opportunity, price will come and retest the level. Now this was a test. When the price was above, that was a test. And now price is broken, buyers will come and retest this level because the level is already tested. Now that is the retest. Again, test is this one. Buyers will enter in this market because of any support or any breakout here at this current position. Buyers will enter and they will reach where? They will reach to this resistance zone, and this resistance zone will give you the another trade. You can go for the reversal as well as. Okay. So how many trades you got? The two trades you got. Number one, this trade, and another trade, this trade you got. You just focus on the information. When you got confidence that after this red candle, next candlestick will be red, on which behalf you got confidence? Number one, who failed? Buyers.
Buyers fail.
Number two, this level is tested. These two information, you got confidence that the next candlestick will continue. And then after continuation, it can continue, go for 3, 4, 5 candles. Then come back for the retest. And sometimes after this, just a second candles move down, and then price immediately come back for the test. At the same time of this test, you will get the another reversal trade. You can go for down as well as. So this is the first condition. This is the first condition. Now, every time the bias will not be failed. Not every time they will be failed. It is possible sometimes bias are not failed. So, for example, at this, on the another example, I'm giving the information here that the sellers came back or create a support because of any breakout or any previous level. We saw that the sellers closed here or they created a support, whatever. And we have this level as well as, okay? Now the price moves up and this level when created, it is not tested like before this level was tested. Now the level is not tested and buyers are very strong. They directly broke in the level. This level is broken. If this level is broken, can I go with a buy?
It could be fake out also, sir. I mean, we need to wait for the test.
It could be fake out. Why? Because this level which is broken right now, that level is still not tested. Still not tested or not retested, whatever. Any touch is not there, right? So, for example, if this candle first touches, okay, first touches and then breakout, then you can go for the next candlestick will buy. But if this candle is not touched, okay, and now it is a directly breakout, there is a 50% chance next candlestick will continue and 50% chance next candlestick will be a reverse back. We will ignore this trade. So what will happen if it is a fake out? One breakout is happened in the direction of the buy. At the same time, you will find the another breakout in the direction of the sell. Now what confirmed? The buyers what told us? They told us that that breakout was not true breakout. That breakout was not true breakout and sellers enter. So now just understand the yesterday lesson. If there are 3 green candles and 1 red candle, what will be the next candle?
Green candle.
Okay. The green candle will come in case if the sellers close above the level. Why? Because the above level, the resistance becomes a support. That's the reason 3 green, 1 red, next candlestick will be
Green.
Okay, that is the reason. That's why the next candlestick will be green. So now another concept is cleared that if 3 green, 1 red, next candlestick will be green, you must look that is there any resistance become support, or is there any support where the red candle is closed. Okay, that is the filter for that setup. Now here what happens? This situation is not happened. What happened? One breakout in upper direction, and at the same time on the next candle, one breakout happened in the down direction. And what I'm calling it that one breakout, second breakout. When immediately if you find in this condition, the next candlestick will be red, you can go for the sell. This breakout will be true. This breakout will be true. So this candle, you can go for the sell. You can take this trade as well as. Okay. Now, this is the second type of breakout. Here, the bias was failed. Here, the bias was failed after breakout. Here, before breakout, they failed. Here, after breakout, they failed. So, this type of breakout mostly you will find. And this breakout will be continuation. Next candlestick, you can go for trade. But when I'm looking at this level, the level is not tested. The level is not tested. So what will happen? So I'm waiting that the level, it must be tested by the sellers and the price will move up like that way. It creates a continuation. Next candlestick will be broken. So this is tested. This can be tested, and if this candle test reverse back, next candlestick break in, it will be called the tested breakout. And two information we got. Who failed in this scenario? Buyers failed and seller tested and broke in the downward. So what you will do, the next candlestick you will trade, but wait, price comes back till this level and touches and then move up. So now still you are waiting for the retest that this support becomes a resistance. I will get the another trade as well as. Yes, tell me. Still we can expect the next candlestick will be back and it will give us a trade and we can go for again down for the reversal like that. Look here. If the same red candle touches the level and then go back, it means the level is already retested. Here, the wick not tested this level. That's why the bias candles comes and retested. Here, at the same time, the level is already retested. So don't expect the bias. The sellers will continue and they will go down. Okay. So if you have any continuation sign, if you have any strong candle, you can follow the next candlestick will continue in down direction. Okay. Okay. So now the third condition. For example, if there is a level, from this level, the sellers entered in the market. And before this green candle, I found it that the sellers was in this condition. And after this single green candle, the sellers entered in the market and moved down and closed on the support and created a support. So we have a two levels. We have a two levels. One is a support becomes a, this support becomes a resistance, and another I have a direct this resistance level, right? So it's depend upon the market. When buyers entered, they not tested the level. Directly price moves up and stop where support becomes a resistance. At this, the support becomes a resistance. What you will expect the next candle?
Reverse.
Red.
It will reverse back, right? It will reverse back because it is the first use of the level. So we can go for the next candle down. Okay.
Right.
We got a trade here. And now who needs to break this level? The sellers needs to break the level, right? But they touched and unable to break the level. Touched and unable to break the level, it means that sellers are not ready. At this point, again, who will enter? The buyers will enter. These buyers will enter. So maybe the buyers will continue on this level, or maybe only just single candle only you will find. For example, if the buyers continue, now the buyers tried and then they failed again. We got information, but this time we are not expecting the reversal here. The first reversal only we will trade. This second reversal opportunity we will avoid because we have a two information. Before, what was the information? Closing below the level. Information we got here, the sellers tried to break. Who failed? Sellers are failed.
Sellers failed.
So there are chances sellers are failed. Maybe this resistance level twice, it will not work. But if the buyers decided that no, we are not agree to go in up direction, we are giving the opportunity to the sellers. So this level may can work twice. But this trade is very risky if I'm going with a buy or if I'm going with a sell. But what happened? The sales comes down. After sale, I found that the level is broken. So this was a test. This was a test. This red candle touches the first time this support and buyers entered and moved up. This is called the reversal test. This is called the reversal test because here there is a reversal pattern. So I can say this level is tested with a reversal pattern. So reversal test I can say. And all the condition now said that the buyers are failed. You can go with a sell. And if the buyers come, I can go with a sell, price comes down and then it can move down. This trade is one here, for example. At the same time, after the next candle, I found that the price is coming for the retest purpose. When I found one green candle, so at that time, what point comes in my mind that it is possible that this support becomes a resistance is now can retest. Then again, I will get the opportunity, right? So
Yes.
next candle, if appear and it directly broke the level, what will happen now? So the support becomes a resistance test is now no opportunity here. But the candlestick broken in the direction of buyer. So do you remember this condition? This condition. It is the same condition. Even we have a two candles in a mid. Here there is a direct price moves up, direct price moves down. But in even if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, how many candles comes down, so this level will be traded as a buy, but in which case price must come down, touches, then it's move up. So where our entry point will be on the support, not on the open price. Because sometimes this candle can be small or weak red candle, or it can be doji, or it can be small green candle. That's possible. So now look that we are just understanding the breakout of the level, but we are not calling it's a true breakout or it's a fake breakout. We are just struggling to understand that after breakout next candle can just one candle can continue or not. We are looking for just a one candle. So we cannot say it's a true breakout or fake breakout. Even it's a fake breakout, we got a one opportunity. Even it's a true breakout, we got a one opportunity. We are not trading complete trend after the breakout. So here just this information you just understand. So now is there any query on it? Otherwise I show the examples.
Sir, is
No, sir.
retest a mandatory step? Like, can it just go out without the retest sometimes?
Yes, in that condition, if the buyers or sellers, any one party fails, okay, if any one party fails, then you can go without retest. But in case if no one party failed, definitely 90% chances, if a breakout happen, mostly 90% chances that one party will be failed, or one party in the past information that will be failed. Okay, I'm going to show examples, you will understand more. Let's see. Okay, look at here. We have a, okay, first of all here. This is the support. This is the support. The support is tested or not? Now participate,
Yes, sir.
everyone participate, then you will understand more. The support is
Tested.
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 So we will check the previous resistance level to understand that buyers are failed or buyers are still in a power, right? So when we will draw this level, what happened on this level? That buyers tried one time, sellers entered, they tried second time, they failed. They tried second time, they
Failed.
failed. We have a test and we have a failure of
Buyers.
buyers. This breakout happened. Can we go far down?
Yes, we can go.
Okay, right? This can be tradable. This can be tradable. Now, I think someone asked the question that if sir there is no test, that time we can go. I will give that example as well as okay. And I understand here this point. When the sellers create this support, if this is a single candle, seller's single candle, but not tested this level and gave the opportunity to the buyers that
Buyers.
you can move up. So we will consider that the sellers are failed. We will consider that the sellers are failed. We will
Failed.
touch or not, but the sense is telling that if the sellers are powerful, why they are not again came and broke this level. It's suggesting that the sellers are telling that we are failed. We are failed, but the process is not completed. So this level, when broken, buyers, if I'm just checking this one level or checking this level, the second candle broke the level. Here I got information. What is the information here? That on this support, sellers tried to break but unable to break, right? I got this information. Buyers create a support, then buyers failed, and again sellers tried to break, they failed. But now who broke the level? The buyers
Broke the
again
level.
broke, and market moves up. So sometimes two candles can break. We will also consider it is a test when two candles are breaking. That condition I missed to told here. Again, we have another option here. I'm giving the more examples here. Okay, look at here. For example, here. There is a level broken. And why this level continues? This is the support, which is broken, and next candle continue. So if we just look at the reason that the level, the buyers are failed. If you just take this resistance level, right? If we just take this resistance level buyers tried to break, but they failed. Tried to break, but they failed. And then this is broken on the second candle. We can go for down in this way as well as. Now comes at this level. We have this breakout, this level breakout. When this level broken, the market moves down, and just interpret that why they move down. So on this support, on this resistance level, sorry, who tried to break? Buyers tried to break, but they failed. And after failure, who broke in this level? Sellers broke in. And then we can go for down trade. When it's come back, it retested, the level is retested, sellers enter in the market, and market is moving down with a simple reason. Okay, and this trade already we discussed that here the bias was failed, and this support becomes a resistance, and this level as well as, and that's the reason the sellers continued here. But look at this point. We have this trade as well as, no, we have this big candle trade as well as. If we just go for a little bit back, that was a resistance level. That was a resistance level here. Okay. When this resistance level was created, the buyers tried to break, they failed. Again, buyers tried to break, they succeed in a breakout. When they succeed, what do you think? What will happen then? They need to continue, right? Because sellers are failed here. But buyers again failed. One breakout happened in up direction and another breakout happened in a down direction at the same time. So you can go for down. This candle also and this breakout also we traded. Two opportunities we can get at this area. And now here, for example, we have this breakout and it failed. When our breakout failed, when sellers are also failed and the breakout happens in the direction of the buyer, but we failed here. So this is true that we lost this trade, or there is another condition? Okay, for example, if I just in the first attempt, I just counting that sellers are failed and the buyers broke in this level. I traded buy, but I failed. I'm just booking as a loss. When it failed, what I will do then? Yes, anyone can tell me what I will do then? After failure of this breakout, I just book the loss and wait for the another opportunity of breakout. Is there any other opportunity which I can trade?
Wait for next candle and see what happens.
We have this opportunity.
Resistance becomes support.
Resistance becomes support at the same time, right? So in case if you are trading the breakout and you failed, at the same time, you have two opportunities. And immediately you will get the trade. What is the opportunity? For example, that there is a resistance level, okay? One opportunity you will get when this resistance level will be broken, the next candles you expected, it will be the green candle. But what happened? It is a red candle. It is a red candle. Which opportunity you got immediately here? The resistance become
Support.
support. Okay. If this is not opportunity, even I have another opportunity. I thought that this breakout is a true. I went for the buy, but I failed. Next candle didn't respect this support, becomes a resistance. Directly the next candle is again broke down. So one breakout fails, the next breakout will be true. One breakout,
Fail.
it fails, the next breakout will be
True.
true. I will go for the down. Now I will go for the down.
Down.
But if it close on the resistance becomes support, then I will go for the
Up.
up. So understood the both opportunities. Means if one trade you lost, you will get immediately the another opportunity. Either it can be the buy trade, or sometimes it can be the sell trades. So what is when I failed here, which is the opportunity? It is a buy opportunity. Okay. When I failed here, what was the opportunity? At this point when I failed. When I failed in this point, what was the opportunity here? The sale opportunity. Understood?
Sell.
So
Yes, sir.
opportunity recovery trade, 95% you will get if you just wait and understand the situation, but don't fall into the emotions that my trade is lost, so my mind is not working, what I can do. No, you will get the trade immediately. Maybe it will be the sale, or maybe it will be the again after you will get the buy. But for example, the support becomes a resistance is here, right? Likewise, if this red candle it creates, don't go immediately for buy until it close on the support. Sometimes there will be two red candles. Now, why there are two red candles? Because the resistance becomes support is away. Here, immediately one candle covered. But if there is a gap, you need to wait after the 2 minutes, then you can go for the buy. Like that, the rules of closing a candle above the support or below the resistance, follow those rules, but you will get the opportunity. Okay, so many these type of trades you can trade. Now, what the opportunities you are, what the concept you are following while trading these breakout conditions? Number one, the concept of failure of any
Breakout.
party, right? Sometimes buyer fail and sometimes seller fail. So this is the concept. Okay, and this is the first point. Number 2 point, you must know the concept of SPR and RBS, because also you will get the opportunity. You must know the concept of test and concept of retest. And you must know the concept of two breakouts, which I gave that concept, when the level is broken immediately up and immediately down. Two breakouts concept. These setups you can use. Okay, I hope everybody understood these things. Follow it and identify. Inshallah, next day I will continue the another topic. Okay, is there any query?
No, sir, so far.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.